Good morning, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and we had the 5K drawing this weekend, and we had 4 winners of these awesome keychains. Now, the keychains say HLModTech 5K supporter, and it shows the cool YouTube logo, and it is blank on the back so that you can make your own name on the back. I let you know on Saturday via Classroom that there was going to be a 5K drawing video. I posted it live. We had several students in there. If you want to rewatch that video, you can rewatch it in Classroom. Also, when you look at the bottom of it, you can see where I pulled out the winners of these 5 keychains. Those winners were Madison D, Jake W, Alfonso P, and Evan G. Now, as I said a moment ago, as a winner, you get to put your name on the back of the keychain. So, let me show you in the rest of this movie just how you can do that. The first thing you need to do is open a Google tab. When you get to the Google tab, you need to choose Drive. In Google Drive, you need to choose New, More, and find Google Drawings. Google Drawings is an amazing free tool that lets us make our awesome words for our keychains. It is important for you to make sure that you choose Insert Word Art. If you do a text box, it does not work, and then we'll have errors, and I'll laugh at you because I flat out told you, use word art, use word art, use word art. Once you click the word art button, type your awesome name or whatever phrase you want to have there. I'm going to make a generic one that says, made 'em say whoa. If you want multiple lines, you can hold down Shift and press Enter. When you are done, it drops the words in. This is built in inches, and your keychain will be about 3 inches, so you might as well shrink your words down to fit in that area at this point. So there's my 3.5 inch mark, and then what you can do is pick your fonts to see what you think looks cool. This may be too many words, but I'm going to stick with it anyway just to see what it looks like in the app, and I'm going to stretch it out to almost 4 inches. If you want fancier fonts, you can click the More Fonts choice. You can search for special fonts and just scroll down and find the one that you think is going to be cool. If they already have a blue mark, that means you've already selected them. Let's click OK and see what that indie flower looks like. Made 'em say whoa. Did I capitalize the W-O? Yes, I did. That's kind of cool, but I'm not sure it's what I want, so I'm going to just try another one. I'm going to do Pacifico and see how that looks. I think I like that. That kind of reminds me of our West Ottawa symbol. When you're working with the Glowforge, it does outlines and it does fills. I'm going to set my fill color to green, and I'm going to set my outline color to pink. The 2 colors are really just a reminder that there will be 2 separate pieces in the Glowforge app when you're working with it. I have a special computer hooked up for printing, so let's get ready to send our project to there. I need you to click where the name is and change it to my name and put your initials. And then when you've got that done, we need to share the file using the share button. And once you click share, type in kid.harmon, and it is at westottawa.net, and make sure it says can edit, because the computer you're going to use is going to be signed into this account so you can do the rest of the steps. Once you've got that shared, you're good to go, and you'll be able to let me know that your project is ready to be finished on the Glowforge. Friends, if you found this kind of cool, you can create this, and then if you win a free print in my classroom by either recording something cool on the Instagram phones or by putting your name on the learning board each day, you can pick up one of these keychains, because I'll have half-done keychains on the table. You can do all these steps to get your own customized keychain printed on the Glowforge laser printer. So hey friends, thanks tons for watching. If you found this cool, please hit that like button. If you got any questions, comments, or suggestions, add them down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscription button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when I make a brand new movie. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.